Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Navin, and I share tips, tricks, and tutorials on graphic design and animation. Today, we're diving into something really cool and super quick by creating a clean and fast logo animation that packs a punch. Check this out. All right, let's get started. For this edit tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit this clean and fast logo animation template, which you can use to make your brand or client's brand stand out. This style is perfect for intros, outros, or even as a snappy transition. And there you have it, a fast and eye-catching logo animation ready to go. Simple, right? This kind of animation is perfect when you want to make a strong impression quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more graphic design and animation content, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Also, drop a comment below if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating.